कौन है ये?
Mohit Chadda, Papa, मेरा friend.
That's me.
Air Connect Junior Executive.
Senior, Myra, senior.
Senior क्या?
Sorry?
Senior चपरासी, senior clerk, senior typist, senior what? He's an honest Punjabi retiring bureaucrat working as an undersecretary in a ministry.
But he gets transferred to some lowly ministry. And he's very frustrated in his career, but he's also on the verge of retirement. When you're retiring, then you have all the time in your hands. So then you become even more interfering, and that's what he does. You know, he keeps interfering in Myra and Mohit's life.
He's a concerned father, and he's a little, he thinks he knows a lot, which he probably doesn't. And he's very authoritative.
चमचों की जगह चमचे, कांटों की जगह कांटे और छुरी की जगह छुरी होनी चाहिए। ये तेरी काम चोरी नहीं चलेगी, हाँ?
Actually, देखा जाए तो ये बहुत बेवकूफियाँ करता है, लेकिन अपनी तरफ से बहुत सही कर रहा है वो. That forms the wit, you know, that is the humor in the film. That is the entertainment in the film.
You know, he comes across as very gruff and, you know, difficult. But she is obviously the boss in the relationship. You know, he tries to be, but he isn't. And I think it's a great relationship. I think it's the most amazing father-daughter relationship that I've seen in a long time, you know.
Normally, I do not like to play a father in films because there's hardly anything for a father or, you know, a parent to really do in a film. But this film is an exception to the rule because it had a very authoritative role. It had a very author-backed role. It was very, it was something very substantial for any actor. It had meat in it. It had something to do. Nupur had something in mind, and I went with her confidence.
That was like an amazing experience to direct someone like Rishi sir, whose craft is so fine. You know, if you want to change over from one line to another line, and he'll be like, yeah, now you see how I do it. And he gets it, you know.
Audience point of view also, how are you engaging the audience? Audience also love it. अरे अब तो फंस गया ये, तो ऑफिस में है नहीं, अब इसका भांडा फूटने वाला है.
If from one shot moving to another shot, if you know, he played it differently from how you wanted it, but now in the next shot he want, you know, I'm like, no sir, we have to get it like this. He'll make sure that he manages to join that, you know. So these things only fine actors can do.
He's India's first natural actor. He's so natural as an actor. I think he can act while sleeping. He's such a brilliant actor. उनसे काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
Experience से बात कर रहा हूँ. देख मेरी तो ठीक है मन जॉब. ऊंची पोस्ट.
I think he's my favorite co-star so far. I mean, everybody's going to be talking about my chemistry with Ayushmann, but I think I have amazing chemistry with Rishi Kapoor. I mean, which heroine didn't have good chemistry with Rishi Kapoor?
I've never been scolded so much by anyone before. But the thing about him is that he will scold me and then make sure I eat lunch with him.
Director इस गलत फहमी में रहती है कि मैं उसको डांटता हूँ, बुली करता हूँ. ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है. सिर्फ ये है कि वो जब डायरेक्टर मुझे 2 टेक के बाद तीसरा मांगने की जरूरत करता है, then of course I start saying why? Tell me why do you want a retake? और फिर back of the mind मैं जानता हूँ कि ये requirement होती है, चाहिए होता है कि you know को 2-3 takes हो, so they have an option.
The thing is, you know, he's so lovable that you don't even mind getting scolded by him.
We were a whole team of youngsters, and we had Rishi sir who was pampering us all the time with food from home and yelling at us like little kids when he didn't think we were doing something right. And it's just been a great learning experience with him.
I think it's just the zeal and the zest to do well, or maybe to act well. I think he's very passionate about acting, so I can just वो energy उनकी काफी flow होती है.
तूने मुझे बेवकूफ बोला? You call me bloody बेवकूफ?
Cut.
तू किसी बेकार सी बुद्धू सी बेवजह बेवकूफियाँ
Nupur Asthana is a brilliant director. The best part is that her homework is always there. आप उनके पास एक नोटबुक होती है, उनके सारे नोट्स होते हैं कि ये शॉट यहाँ पे होगा, ये शॉट यहाँ पे होगा, ये शॉट यहाँ पे होगा.
We have this certain style of working where we both really like to prep and organize everything that we're going to be doing on shoot.
Yeah, man. Nupur is actually a pain, real pain. She's a perfectionist, but I like these kind of directors, you know, who are in full command, because director is the captain of the ship, is in full command of the film.
Though she's like a butcher, वो काट के बनाती है, but that's a very selfish reason. फिल्म का texture अच्छा लगता है, फिल्म काफी बड़ी दिखती है, हर एक shot यहाँ से, एक shot यहाँ से.
When you see the film as a whole, you realize that perhaps there are a couple of scenes where
one particular character could be explored a little differently, and then you can go back to the takes that she has, and you'll invariably, I think, we found that little degree of, that slight variation that we were looking for. So I think it's a very interesting thing for me to be working with someone like that.
She is someone who's worked a lot and for a very long time, but she hasn't lost her sense of idealism and her sense of artistic vision. Usually I'm very argumentative, but with Nupur I kind of trust her judgment, blindly.
When you compose a song and present it to her, you just have to look at her eyes. They will always be filled with tears. And most of the time they are tears of joy, and sometimes they are scary too.
If something works for her, you can see her in tears. And if something doesn't work for her, then there is no delay in discussing things.
She's a lovely director, someone to look forward to, who's going to make some great films ahead.
We worked really hard on the designs, the colors. I wanted a certain palette in the film, which comes from your production design, your costume, and your shooting style.
We had certain looks set for the film from the word go, where we decided that their entire work life was going to be treated in a glass, chrome, cool manner, and every time we see their love story, and when we're in their houses and places that they would relax in, that's in an entire warm palette.
It was about a bureaucrat जो कि मिनिस्ट्री में काम करता है, तो जाहिर है कि दिल्ली में ही पिक्चर सेट होगी.
The best part is Delhi gives you that earthy milieu which is in Purani Delhi, and it gives you a very cool milieu which is in South Delhi and in Gurgaon, जहाँ corporate sectors हैं.
These two Delhis are in a sense personified by the characters also in the film. So V.K. Sehgal personifies the older Delhi, the South Block, the Sarkari Delhi, and that's the kind of architecture there as well. It's low slung, there are no high rises there. Whereas Gurgaon, where these two work, is all high rises.
It's almost like a modern day version of what India will look like, I think, in the next 10-15 years.
So yeah, I definitely wanted to use that in the film, for sure. And I think it's added a lot of character.
Cool Delhi अभी तक exploit नहीं की गई है. So this corporate sector in Gurgaon and maybe South Delhi या फिर जो monuments हैं, उनको भी बिल्कुल बहुत ही unexplored है. I think ये आपको इस फिल्म में नजर आएंगे.
We shot at the right time in Delhi. We had this warm winter sun which adds to the romance and adds the warmth to the film.
Nupur and the camera woman in the film, Neha, both were excellent as a team, I felt, in the film.
They understood each other, everybody was working together to make it look amazing, The hair, the makeup, the clothes. I don't think I've ever looked as beautiful in any film. I think Neha has made me look so gorgeous.
She tries to understand what the director is trying to do, what the vision of the director. That's really important, because you can have a fantastic DOP, you can have a fantastic director, but if they don't gel, then it's not going to, the film is not going to look good.